Hi guys, is your van alarm keeping you up all night? Not being able to turn the alarm off? I've got a Renault Trafic. It's the same as the Vauxhall Vivaro and a Nissan Pro Ace, I think it's called. And at random times, the alarm goes off for no reason. Doors are shut properly. There's nothing in the cab. There's nothing on the seats. It just goes off, and half the time you can't turn the alarm off. I've had the battery changed. I've had the cables to the battery changed. I've had the key fob batteries changed, and it still goes off. So after spending a lot of money, I figured out what the problem is. It's the key. If we get the key, if you get someone to cut a new key and change the chip inside it and program it to the van, no more problems. The alarm now goes off. So if the alarm goes off, like if someone attempts to get in, you can click it off, it goes off, no problem. It's been 3 weeks now, and my alarm hasn't gone off once. Whereas it used to do it every other day, multiple times during the night, and you couldn't even turn the alarm off. Even starting the engine wouldn't turn the alarm off. But since having this key programmed to the van, no problems. So I hope this helps and saves a lot of stress for people. I know it will for me, because I wanted to set fire to my van. I was getting that annoyed with it. But now, no problem. So go and get them keys reprogrammed. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.